Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Python variables. Now, there are many different types of variables, but today we will mostly be talking about two different types. First type is the integer or number variables. So x is equal to 5. And now you can print out this variable to show. So instead of typing 5, you would just print x and then x 5. Now it may just be more simpler to write 5, you think, but if you have larger numbers or you're using a lot of variables at once, printing variables would be saving you a lot of time. Now, a different type of variable is string. String is like the written side of the variable family. So you want to type them with these quotation marks. So they know it's not an integer, it is a string. So I will type hello world and then let's print. Oh no, we have to finish it. Print x. Now as you can see, it does print hello world. You could also type this into the print, but it'll be very time consuming if you're writing whole sentences. Now there are a couple rules for naming variables. So the name of the variables, not what's inside, but the name of them. So the first rule is variable names can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. There can be no spaces, so you can't put h/n is equivalent to, it'll just flag it immediately. What you can do is h underscore n. That's good. And you can't put at sign, like at spice is equivalent to. You can't, because it just won't work. You see the red line underneath will always mean like, hey, something's not working. And then Python variable names are very case sensitive. So a equal to 0 and capital A equal to 0 are different. So if you do a equal to 0, then you do a equal to 6. If you print a, the number will change. But if you print a, then capital A equal to 6, a will still be equal to 0. This is very useful for when you want to create multiple of the same variable, but you don't want them to all account to one variable. And then another final rule is avoid using any Python keywords. So for example, you really don't want a print variable, because see, red line, not going to be very good. If would also be a bad one, because they are all counted as keywords already. So you can name things age, number, whatever. Now I already showed you how to assign variables. You do k equivalent to 9. But now I can talk about assigning multiple things at the same time. So for example, you would do a equal to 0, b equal to 8, or c equal to 5. You can type those all in different lines, and then you can do each individual print. So print a, print b, print c. Now that just, again, like, it's taken a while to not do anything, and so you want to do is a equal to b equal to c equal to 100. Now as you can see, they're all assigned on the same line. So you can just do print a comma. Very important to add a comma. Very important to add the comma, because then they'll count it as one variable. So a, comma b, comma c. And then equal c, 100, 100, 100. And now, so now you may be wondering, oh, but they're all equal to the same number. I want to make it so they're not equal to the same number. Do not worry. First, you're going to need to change it. Instead of A equal comma B, it's A, comma B, then comma C. Where's comma? Perfect. And now you see, can't be 100. You can do 100. Let's put 7. And then finally, let's put a string for the last one. Hi. With 2 eyes. And then, if we do this, hello, whippy, did it. Now, that is like the simple way of doing variables. Next time we talk about variables, we're going to talk more about types of variables and something called typecasting. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.